relax. The 2023 BMW A Series keeps a slimmer kidney grille. Now, unveiled with great pomp and circumstance in 2018, after its racing version went official at Le Mans, the current generation of the A Series is not that long in the wait yet. On the other hand, it's not what it seems either. Now, available as a coupe, a convertible, and even a swoopy sedan, that's more like a four-door coupe. The modern iteration of the BMW 8 Series lineup is mostly a remarketed 6 Series, which is why it doesn't excel in passenger space compared to the 4 Series. What it does excel compared to a 4 Series, though, is the use of a more traditional design language, especially when it comes to the older BMWs that don't have a giant kidney grille in the front of the car. Now, after 3 years of trying to establish a serious foothold on the luxury Grand Tourer market, that is, BMW biggest GT no longer needs to fear the competition from Mercedes-Benz. But that doesn't mean the Bavarians are standing still. With that in mind, BMW has just started public testing of the 8 Series LCI prototype in various guises all over Germany. You can see this. With the LCI, which is Life Cycle Impulse, meaning facelift in the BMW speak, many people will probably expect that the refreshed 8 Series might get a similar, some people call it gargantuan, but I call it a beautiful grille. I like the big grille. But a lot of people like the smaller. Now, despite defending it for almost a year, the Bavarians will not be using that grille on another one of their models. So the revamped 8 Series is safe in that regards. This is what it's going to look like, basically. Now, spy photographers have caught the pre-production prototype of the 2023 BMW A Series Coupe, A Series Grand Coupe, and an M8 Grand Coupe in the past few days. And they all seem to share one thing in common. Minimal change overall to the exterior design, which seems to include slightly slimmer headlights, redesigned front and rear bumper. The taillights might also be different graphics, but other than that, it will look quite similar to the current A Series lineup. Let's take a look, and let's just look at this and talk about the prototypes that were seen in Germany. I don't have them here because they personally belong to magazines, and they're not my pictures, so I can't really share them. But I can talk about them, folks. Now, the front end actually looks the same, except when you look at the prototypes, they tend to have a square here and a square here. So you can't see, and you actually see this here. There's nothing really changed here. I mean, this is squared off, and it looks squared off, but I guarantee you that it's hiding this. I don't think they gave up on this. The front end, definitely the same kidney grille. Nothing has changed. And I see the same width here. Basically, nothing really has changed here. It's the same lamps, the same headlamps. Everything looks basically the same. Not much of a change, visually speaking. Except this is squared off. So there's a possibility that this could be squared off instead of having this design here. This may be all blocked off. That's basically the only thing that's possibly that has changed. Nothing else has really changed about this. I mean, the back end. Let's see. What I'm doing, I'm just looking at the prototypes. I'm just looking at the seeing what has changed. The tailpipes look the same. It doesn't look like it changed at all, basically. I mean, the brake lamps, they have it, they have tape in different places, so you can't really see it. But honestly, it looks the same, folks. Nothing has changed. It's also tempered off. Even the side, nothing has changed, really. And even the wind surfacing and all that, everything is basically the same. The lines, nothing has changed from the tailpipes. And this is just the interior, which they don't have. There's no pictures of the interior of the 2023 yet. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and may you have an awesome day. and many blessings. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.